Ever noticed how easy it is to start a new workout routine? For about 3 days. Maybe you kick off with the best intentions, shiny new sneakers, and visions of sculpted arms and a stronger core. But by day 4, Netflix and the couch start looking far more inviting. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. Transforming your body is challenging. That's where the magic of a personal trainer comes in, swooping in like a real-life superhero to guide, motivate, and make that body transformation happen without needing a cape. Here's why a personal trainer could be your best investment in a healthier, fitter future. 1. Accountability that works. Because let's face it, your dog won't hold you accountable. A personal trainer keeps you accountable in a way that few others can. Friends are great for a random workout session here or there, but a personal trainer's job is to make sure you show up. Think of them as part coach, part mentor, and a little bit like a motivational buddy who won't let you forget your goals. They'll make sure you're following through, showing up, and doing the work. Plus, paying for sessions can be a surprisingly good motivator to get you out of bed. 2. A customized plan just for you. Ever tried to follow a generic workout plan online and found it wasn't exactly what your body needed? That's common because fitness is far from one size fits all. A personal trainer tailors workouts to your body, goals, and strengths. They'll ask about your fitness background and any injuries or areas you're hoping to improve, and they'll build a program designed specifically for your body. Imagine that, a workout routine as unique as you are. It's like having a designer suit instead of something off the rack. The fit is just better. 3. Efficiency, get results without wasting time. One of the biggest reasons people give up on working out is feeling like they're spinning their wheels. With a personal trainer, you're not wasting precious time doing exercises that don't help you reach your goals. They know which movements work best for weight loss, muscle gain, flexibility, or endurance, and will structure your workouts accordingly. Every rep and every set serves a purpose. Personal trainers streamline your workouts, so you're doing only the things that will help you get closer to the results you want. 4. Learning proper technique, so you don't injure yourself trying to lift like Thor. Exercise form is no joke. One wrong move with heavy weights, and you could be sidelined for weeks with an injury. Personal trainers are there to make sure your form is spot on, helping you to avoid injuries and perform exercises in the safest, most effective way. Good form also means you'll see results faster because you're working your muscles correctly. Ever tried to squat and felt it more in your back than your legs? That's a sure sign you need a little guidance to avoid unnecessary strain. 5. A personal cheerleader for those low motivation days. We all have days when even putting on workout clothes feels like an accomplishment. Those are the days when a personal trainer can make a difference. They're there to remind you why you started, push you just a little further than you thought you could go, and celebrate the wins along the way. Having someone rooting for you can make all the difference in maintaining your motivation, even on the tough days. 6. Breaking through plateaus with expert guidance. Fitness plateaus are the enemy of progress. You're working hard, and then suddenly, nothing seems to be changing. A trainer has the expertise to help you break through those plateaus, switching up routines, introducing new techniques, and finding ways to keep your body guessing. Plateaus are normal, but with a trainer's help, you can overcome and push beyond, ensuring continuous progress. 7. A holistic approach to health and wellness. A good personal trainer will address more than just your workouts. Many trainers understand that your transformation is about more than gym time. It's about lifestyle changes too. They can guide you on healthy eating, stress management, and creating positive habits that will support your goals. Think of it as a comprehensive approach to health. This kind of support turns a fitness journey into a true transformation that touches all aspects of your life. 8. Building confidence alongside muscles. As you become stronger, fitter, and more skilled in your workouts, your confidence skyrockets. Personal trainers see this all the time. Clients who start with timid movements and hesitant attitudes often transform not just physically, but mentally. You're not just working toward a body transformation, you're building confidence that spills over into all areas of your life. That moment when you realize, I can lift that, or I can run that, is an incredible feeling, and your trainer is there to cheer you on. 9. Consistency, the secret ingredient to transformation. The reason most fitness goals fail, a lack of consistency. Consistency is where the magic happens in fitness, and a personal trainer ensures you're keeping up that rhythm. It's like having a fitness routine on autopilot. They handle the planning, the changes, and the encouragement, making it easier for you to stay consistent without constantly thinking about your next move. All you need to do is show up. 10. Long-term results that stick. A personal trainer isn't just about the short-term wins. They're there to set you up with habits, knowledge, and skills that will support your health long after the sessions are over. Once you learn the why and how of fitness, you're more likely to keep up with it on your own. With their guidance, you're creating a fitness foundation you can build on for life. Think of it as a solid investment in the future you. So let's wrap things up. A trainer is your fitness ally. In the end, a personal trainer is more than just someone who counts your reps and reminds you to breathe. They're a partner in your journey, dedicated to helping you achieve a body and lifestyle transformation that's genuinely fulfilling. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your fitness to the next level, a personal trainer is an ally that can make the entire experience more rewarding, effective, and, dare we say it, enjoyable. After all, a little humor, accountability, and encouragement go a long way when you're trying to change your life. So why not bring in a pro? HitchFit offers personalized fitness programs that include tailored nutrition and workout plans designed for all ages and fitness levels, whether you exercise at home or in a gym. The plans are crafted individually, ensuring a highly customized experience rather than an automated system. Clients benefit from direct and unlimited communication with the trainers, allowing for continuous guidance and support. This personalized approach has led to significant success for clients worldwide, making HitchFit unique in the fitness industry. Click the link in the description for more information and access. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for your health and wellness.